Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to trade on the Forex market using MetaTrader 5. And for this, first of all, you need to be registered with a broker. In my example, I will be demonstrating with the broker Roboforex. This is the very broker I have been trading with for a long time, whom I trust and who completely satisfies me. And I like it. Let me show you how to do all of this. For this, you need to register with a broker, so either follow the links in the description or simply go to the official website and register. If you go to the website, then you need to select Open an Account, the green rectangle. A few empty fields will open up and we fill in each field. The first field is your active email, first name, your first name, last name, your last name. Next, your actual mobile phone number, and there is a tab, I have the partner code. Enter the partner code. If a friend invited you, accordingly enter their partner code. If you came from the internet, I would be very happy if you enter my partner code. This will give you the opportunity for additional trading on the Roboforex broker. This is how it looks. Oh, sorry. This is how it looks. Like this. Check the box. It does if it's not checked. And we select the Register tab. After entering the data, you need to go to your email, confirm the message, and accordingly save your login and password. If you need to, you can change all of this. And first of all, you must complete the verification. To complete the verification, you need to go to the top left, select the profile, and check verification. You will be redirected to a new window. I have completed all the verification here. You need to first go through email verification step by step, entering the email you used during registration. Next, complete the passport verification using either your international passport or a regular passport. And lastly, the address verification, which means simply confirming your registered address. After you have completed the verification, you need to open a trading account. So go to the top left, select account, then real account. And here, be attentive. If you are going to trade on MetaTrader 5, you must select MetaTrader 5 or 4 in the top line. So we select MetaTrader 5, choose the type of account you will have. If it's a cent account, then select cents. If it's a dollar account, then the account is MT5IC. Next, we leave everything here as it is. Here, select USD leverage. And create a password and repeat your password. This password will be for your trading account. To fund your account with the broker, you need to go to the menu. On the left, select Funds and Deposit Funds. Our next step is to download MetaTrader. So we go to the App Store. If you have an iPhone, type MetaTrader. MetaTrader 5, enter MetaTrader. And here you will have an empty field where you need to enter your broker. If it's Roboforex, then type Roboforex. Select it. And accordingly here, where it says server, you specify it. Either it's Roboforex Pro or Roboforex ECN. Next, you enter the login. This is your account number. When you open the account, you received an account number. So it is used here as the login and the password. You created the password when you set up the account. So we entered the login and password. We logged into MetaTrader and it immediately takes us to the quotes. In the quotes, we select any currency pair that we want to trade. If you don't see a currency pair and want to add one, accordingly, you need to enter it here. Enter the symbol for search at the top. We select and specifically choose what we want. For example, if it's Forex, then we go here. And let's, for example, find the euro dollar. And to add a currency pair, we need to select the little green plus sign. That's it, we've added it. We go back. It's located at the very bottom. We select the euro dollar. And to open the chart, we need to select and choose the chart. It is loading for us, the chart for now. Look at the top left, we see the time frame. We can switch between time frames. Let's set it to hourly. To be continued. Next, what do we see? What has changed here? What changed is what appeared at the top. Sell and buy, meaning we can immediately open a trade. Here we can also specify the lot size. Let's set the lot size and immediately open a trade. Since we see that the euro dollar has dropped significantly. Let's go for buy. And we also accept these conditions. Once again, buy, and we have an instant market trade opened. And what I like the most about the new MetaTrader is that you can set the tag, profile, and stop loss directly on the chart. That is, there's no need to write down the values and then enter them somewhere. We immediately choose. And here we can see that a trade has opened. We select this trade, an additional menu opens, and we immediately set the take profit. And we can even see how many dollars we will earn if we set it once, well, to where we need it. And we set it right away. Stop loss. Here we have a red line appearing. Well, let's do it approximately like this. And to confirm this trade, we select the arrow at the bottom and click Modify. That's it, we have the trade. We can go to the trading menu below. Here, the trade itself is displayed, shown in detail. If we want to close it accordingly, we just swipe left and select the orange trick, the small rectangle, and click Close on. So if we suddenly need to open a pending order, let's go back to quotes. Let's choose any pair at all. We want to open a pending order at the top right. There's even a clock drawn there. We select them by limit. That is, if we move the slider up, a pending sell order opens for us. If we move it down, a pending buy order opens for us. Well, let's say, for example, if the chart returns here, and immediately at the moment we open and set a stop loss, let's say here, and take profit. Let's say here, that's it, we open the trade, select the arrow and click set. And we have, in trading, we can see here, we can see that the trade will open when the price will be at. This is convenient. It's just a big respect to them for actually doing this, because on MetaTrader 4, I repeat, it was, well, really a hassle to set all this up. So we also have the history of the order position, of the trade remaining. That's the kind of review we have for MetaTrader 5. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. There will be a lot of useful and interesting content here. See you next time.